Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. The Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department JMPD Tactical Response Unit arrested 2 male suspects following a gruesome discovery at a residence in Naledi, Soweto. JMPD spokesperson Superintendent Xolani Fihla said a thorough inspection of a garage revealed a white VW Candy belonging to a National Department of Health. A verification check confirmed that the vehicle had been positively flagged as hijacked and was already in the process of being stripped. A further search of a yard led to a highly disturbing discovery. 2 buckets allegedly containing human organs identified as heart and lungs, Fihla said in the statement. The JMPD officers were conducting a routine crime prevention duties when they received a tip-off regarding a vehicle being stripped at a residence on Nep Street, Naledi. Upon arriving at a specified address, officers found the gate open and proceeded into the yard. After discovering the front door of the house half open and receiving no response to their knocks, officers entered the premises. They encountered a male suspect inside the house. After officers identified themselves and stated their purpose, the suspects indicated that the vehicle in the question was located in the garage and belonged to the homeowner. Officers expanded their search of the property and subsequently discovered a second male suspect hiding in the backyard. Both suspects were immediately arrested, said Fihla. The 2 suspects have been processed and detained at Naledi SAPS on charges of possession of a hijacked vehicle and possession of human organs. Investigations are ongoing as SAPS and JMPD works to establish the origin of the human organs and locate the homeowner. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.